In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Google Sites navigation bar. A clear, well-placed navigation bar helps visitors find what they need quickly, and in Google Sites, you can switch between a top menu and a side menu in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what each choice means, and share a few tips so you pick the layout that fits your site. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sites. If you're not already there, you can simply type sites.google.com. This is where all your sites live and where you'll access the editor. Next, sign into your Google account if prompted. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're in the one that owns or can edit the site you want to change. If you land on a read-only view, switch to the correct account so you can make updates. Now, in the new Google Sites interface, we're focusing on the navigation controls. From your site's home, choose the site you want to edit. Click its thumbnail to open it in the editor. Give the page a second to load. Once you see the header and content, you're in the right place. To access the navigation options, click directly on the navigation bar area in your site's header. This is usually at the top of the page where your menu items appear. Clicking there reveals controls tied to the navigation layout. Look for navigation settings. This opens a small panel where you can choose how your menu is displayed. These settings are specific to your current site and affect all pages consistently, so you don't have to change this on every page. If you prefer a collapsible menu that slides out, choose Side. Side navigation is great for sites with many sections or deeper page hierarchies because it keeps the header area clean. On larger screens, it shows as a drawer. On smaller screens, visitors will see a familiar menu icon. This option can make long lists of pages easier to scan without overwhelming your header. If you want your main pages to be visible across the header, choose Top. Top navigation works well when you have a concise set of primary pages. It keeps key links front and center and can feel more traditional for simple sites. Keep in mind, your menu reflects your page's structure in Google Sites, so the order and nesting you set there will appear in whichever layout you choose. That's it. Your selection updates instantly in the editor so you can see how it looks. Pick the layout that best supports your content and audience, and you'll have a cleaner, more usable site in moments.